All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV model, white with black interior, premium sound system, thermal controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, roof racks, 28,000 miles on this bad boy. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? It does. 3, 6, about 8 inches, I would say. Tire that is just under 7/32. Oh, my thing is uncalibrated. Hold on 1 second. All right, and we're back. Let's see. 5 under 7/32. But above 4, this door looks good, this rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty darn good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread, over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see anything, dents or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Is a push start system. Does come with 1 key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, all and all that good stuff that's working. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below, which obviously work. You got your heated seats right here. Steering controls on this side, as well as this side. Your instrument cluster. What that looks like. You don't see any lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 28,600. Pretty much completes the tour. Let's see. Let's get your blind side. That's pretty cool. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear trunk deck lid looks pretty good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire down here. Of course, these things do move around. You can set them up as you please. It does have a spare tire with some tools. I tucked away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter here looks pretty good in your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread, over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches of curbing. Tire thread is just under 7/32. Really well aligned because the 2 fronts were at 6/32 and the 2 backs were like at 8/32. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. This is a 2017 Nissan Rogue Sv 2-wheel drive model with 28,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.